Hi, Christina. So when you're working with complex rare genetics, what you're doing is it's going to be looked at as admirable, but it's just unnecessary. The movements that you're offering him are just movements that he won't be able to create on his own, and they affect his cognitive. Now, what you're looking for is the fine motor skills, but what you're missing is the pump. Okay, one of the things that's hard because the head shape, first of all, and the reason I'm asking on the vision, his left eye is turning in way too much. My conversation would be is if the patching and the eyeglasses aren't working with the strabismus and so forth, the surgery in his future, to bring that eye out, because the strain through the eye is just way too hard. And so for him to strain like that and plus get his head in position because of the overgrowth, and then for the fine motor skills. But what I'm talking about with the pump, one of the things is, and so I haven't worked a lot with Danny Walker, but I've done enough. So when you've got that large head, they tend to have a smaller than normal neck. So there was times when I was working with Austin, I'm like, I'm just, if I move the wrong way, it's just gonna snap him. There's a couple of my kiddos who wasn't as bad, but still the neck to head ratio is something. And so you got to get clever with the way that you're holding the baby. And so when you're doing that, please, doing that, you want to work on what the pump. Okay, so now this is going to get a bit creative because you're going to have to do back of the head and then into the shoulders. But when I go to reach, and this is what he's doing, he's literally lifting the arm, but what should be happening is my left scapula pumps down in, right? And this is what's going in. This is what's really one of the key movements is overlooked at reflexes, is this pump is going in and going in. So what you want to do, even though it's, let's say his right hand is lifting up, is you want to be able to, and now everybody wants to lift the right shoulder blade into the reach, which is doable, but you also want to have that down. You have the head here and you're going down on the left for the right side. And you just have stuff like that where he's playing and you're going there where he's motivated, and go that route. So, and go from there. Thanks.